All right, now we got getting everything back to normal after our vacation and taking care of little stuff here and there. Upper management said it's time to get some projects out of the shop. So let's go see what we got. All right, so on the to-do list, all the high priority stuff's done. So guess what? It's time to get back on the Loadstar. So going through the list, all the things we need to do. This is probably the biggest thing right now is to get some of these eyesores out of the shops, or out of the yard. How about that? So let's go out here and see what we got. One truck, two truck, well, let's see. Of course, got to keep my work truck. Over there in the bush, this is the other part of the 2005 truck's got to go. And then we've got our donor truck. The motor is going to come out of it. So today, I'm going to try to start getting some of this cleaned up. But I'm going to get the body that we're getting rid of and this truck bed off and on the trailer today. But before I do that, I want to strip some of the like the gauges out of the newer truck that we're going to get rid of, and maybe some other parts in there. I thought about saving the wiper motor and the power window motors. I'd like to put power windows on the Loadstar because we are going to have AC in that truck, because I want to drive it more than just when it's decent weather. And so anyhow, so we're going to get after that today. So hang on. After a little bit of manipulating with a chain, a tractor, and a bucket, that's what I got it. It's not the finished spot because I'm still going to get the bed on, but that's what we got for now. See, don't think I didn't forget about that winch that's sitting up there. Pull that sucker right up on there. Or I may just push it with the bed and everything, but we'll see. Now to the bed. Apparently there's still some bolts under there that I missed. So, but it's getting about time to wrap things up for the day. And yeah. So thanks for watching the video again. Shout outs to my wife for all the work she did this week and trying to get ready for the dinner I asked her to cook. So again, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Things on our Loadstar list. We've had a change of plans there. That's more to come on that, but it's going to speed the process up, so hopefully we can make this November deadline. Still got a lot of people in disbelief that we can do that, considering it's early August, but have faith. I think we can knock it out. So
that's all I got to say about that.
I need to hurry up, feed the fish. I'm about to get wet. Whoa, damn it.